Right, we're back at the bungalow. Let me spin the camera and show you how we're getting on. It's all been backfilled now. Let me show you. Well, as you can see, where we had the digger in, it's complete bog. The water main's been connected up, and we've got the drains done down the side here. There's my plumbing kit there, because I'm just about to do a little bit of work. Got the new drain for the ensuite is coming out there. New gully there, and in the distance there you can just see the water going in for the new stopcock. Just got popping now. I'll show you what they're doing inside. I think the two lads are in there at the moment, two boys are in there at the moment, doing a bit of plasterboarding out the ceilings. I think they want me to connect up the mains to the water inside, and so we'll pop and have a little look. I think they want me to connect 22 to 50 or the stopcock to 22mm pipes. That'll feed the boiler and all the rest of it in a minute. So we'll pop and have a little look. So I'm just going to do a little bit of plumbing up in the loft to connect the 22mm down to the stopcock in the utility room. So I've used the form tool there, the pipe bending tool, with the form tool on the end of it. Give it a good old bend. Then what I've got there is a piece that I've bent. And I'm just going to cut that off there, so it's going to go up the loft from the coal up and over. That's going to connect up to the. What you do with these cutters, these pipe cutters, I've got a small one here because we other top don't put the. Let me just show you the other type of cutter I've got. Pipe cutter. I always do 22. I've got a couple of these. These are good. I think they're Rothenberg or something cutters. But they're both 15 because I quite often do 15mm pipe work, which is standard plumbing. I've not even done 22 before, to be honest with you. But yeah, these little mini cutters are handy, and that goes to 15 to 22. So with these ones, you just tighten that up a little bit, turn it, tighten it up, turn it, tighten it up, turn it, and that'll slowly, the blades slowly cut into the pipe. And cut the hopefully cut the copper off. But I've not used this for years. It's a bit. You're better off getting one of the other type. These are good. These are really good. You get in 15 and 22. You're better off one of them in 22. That's what it's 15. But and the idea is this is going to be sold upstairs in the loft. As I say, it's going to tee off the cold up and over. Then we're going to run plastic to the wall and down the wall to the stopcock, and then we'll have water in the building then. So yeah, what you do, you tighten that up. Let me just show you the angle there. You tighten this screw up here, and the two blades inside their little wheels sharp go into the pipe, and then you turn that. Obviously, if I was doing a lot of 22mm pipe work, which I don't because I'm not a plumber, but if I was doing a lot of 22mm pipe work, I'd buy one of the other type of cutters, but this is just to get by. And that should keep tightening that up, keep turning it, tighten. It's going now. Slowly breaks through. I can feel it going through now. There we go. That's it, done. Clean both ends with wire wool, flux, solder, and jump up loft and solder that in. Just be careful, don't muck about flames up lofts if you don't know what you're doing. There's no insulation up there, so it's quite safe. So this is what I've got to cut this pipe here. Put my piece on there. Not my bloody job. The other cut's a lot better, I think. But these can get in small confined spaces. I'm going to clean that up with a bit of wire wool, if I can find the wire wool.
That's that end done. Got to this end. Not disturbing it. There you go. Nice and clean. Now, I think I'll ease that in. Right, I've got a small piece of pipe out of that now. I can't remember where it's gone. I can't see it. Oh! I've got some flux on there and I can fit that in there. It's so tight up here, it's ridiculous. Do it one bloody hand. So what I have to do, get my solder. Plenty of solder ready. Right, so what I've done there, I've cut the pipe, I've got my cloth there to stop it burning. Plasterboard's pretty good, just got to get some flux on that pipe and solder it up. So what you do, I put a new flux, but you put flux on the joint there, that helps the solder flow. So you want a nice clean joint, load of flux on there. Alright, load of flux on this end. Oops. Load of flux on there. Nice and clean, get that out of the way. So you want to push that on there. That on there like that. This on there. Oh, don't try and cut enough off. Come on. Come on, you bastard. To pick that. Clip that, I think. Hopefully, without snapping their pipes. I'm hoping that'll be alright. I haven't damaged anything down the other end. It's clipped in. That's all clipped in there. Just want to put a bit of plasterboard there. To stop it falling down. Right. On that. There like that. It should be there like that. That's there like that. Flux around it. Right. do, won't it?
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it is. Just solder under there, so you know solder under there. So it looks a bit dry there. Don't know till you fucking put the water on. If it leaks, we'll have to cut it out and put a piece in with some compression. So I think you should use compression fittings myself.
Or if you can solder.
Eh?
You can solder.
No, because you're cutting out, you've got to push the pipes in. You've got to move the pipes about. Ah, what are you doing? What? Oh. What are you looking at? Can't move up there. My camera's still filming, look. Right, let's get out of here. It's too tight and squashy, I'm too old for this. Alright. That's alright, let's get out of here. What we need to do now is connect the plastic pipe down to there, down the ceiling. We're fitting down the ceiling, through the wall, down the wall, and connect up to the stopcock, and that's done. Hopefully nothing leaks. Right, let's pop in now. The room's empty. Let's pop in and have a little look what we've got. Bit of plasterboard done. So this is, since you last seen it, this is the, it's a bit dark here, new loft hatch. I'm not sure if you've seen all the substitution walls, but this is the utility room. There's the water coming in there. Mains water. We've got ply here because we're going to put all units and pipe work on the wall here. All the electrics are in. Windows going in there. This is the utility room. Let it go. It's all been boarded out on the ceiling. The hallway has all been boarded out now. And what we've done, we've put battens, timbers and battens all through the ceiling here. So it's lower down for the downlighters. This all have downlighters in here. So you've got a timber framing here now for the doorway to this room here. It's a bit dark. I'll show you this from here. So this is the ensuite, and this is the one of the bedrooms. So I'll go into this bedroom here. All the ceilings done in the front room. Just show you around. All the ceiling is done in the main big room here, and this is now the ensuite here. This has been boarded out here. It's got to the doorway, etc. Some bonding for the electrics all got to be filled in, and that's the doorway here. And this is the ensuite. Ceiling again has been dropped down. The reason we dropped this ceiling down is to accommodate the tiles from the ceiling to the floor. It works out nice, you won't get any dodgy cuts on the tiles. Pipe works in for radiators. We've put some timbers in the ply in here, sheets of ply in here to accommodate the rads. So got a nice bit of ply there for fixings for the rads. So this is looking good now. Just board this out. Salt stack here for the toilet. Obviously it's too long at the moment. We've just done this temporarily because it's going to be a tight fit here. This is going to be cut down when we work out the toilet's going. It's going to be cut down with the elbow going in through there. Toilet's going to be here somewhere. We might have to move that radiator. We think we've cocked up a bit there. A little bit of an oversight. But yeah, that's basically it. Ceiling's lowered here for, like I said, tiles. If you calculate the ceiling's a floor, tiles come in certain sizes, and there's the hallway there. That's lowered as well for downlighters. This can be boarded out. We've got tile backer boards going up here. All in this room, I think, tile backer boards for the tiles, which are thicker, heavier tile. A thicker, heavier board, sorry. That's pretty much it. Lack of light at the moment. So yeah, the windows turned up and there's all the glass broke on the truck. So they've got to deliver some more, make some more glass, which is a bit of a pain in the backside. So when I think next week after, I think I'll come around and do another little video, and hopefully we'll have the windows in by then, get some bloody light in here. So anyway, that's all for now. We've got to crack on for a few more bits, because it's getting late now. 2 more weeks, it should all be boarded out, and I reckon we'll have the windows and the double glazing in, if the company get their act together and get some new glass delivered. Anyway, that'll do now. That's all for now. Go home, quick shower,
and back to work tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe for many more videos coming up, I think. And see you next time. Ta-da.
I'll take that off of there. Flux on there. Got my fucking finger. Oh, still gone fucking mank. Oh, that ain't good. Oh, I need some new flux. Oh dear, I'm in trouble here. Solvent cement. Right, cut.